since I've done a foundation review, so for this video we're going to be checking out the KVD Beauty Good Apple Serum Foundation. Hopefully this works out for me. Let's see how my skin likes it. If you're brand new to my channel, hi, my name is Alex, and if you've never seen these big old cheeks before, I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos right here on this channel, so if you don't want to miss a video from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. But today we are doing something with this face with a new foundation. Well, new to me. It's been out for a minute. I just decided to pick it up. I've been doing this thing where I'm trying to go through the foundations that I have, and I've thrown one in the trash, so I'm like, okay, I'm done with one, now it's time for a new one. So before I put this foundation on my skin, just a little bit about my skin. If you're new here, I have acne prone combination oily skin. It's been doing great so far. I've been really working to get these scars down, doing my facials, doing all the things. So yeah, if y'all want like a skincare routine as well, let me know down below. But today is about this foundation right here from KVD Beauty. This is the Good Apple Serum Foundation. Let's talk a bit about what it says it does. It's supposed to be a full coverage, natural finish, transfer proof, extreme long wear with a lightweight serum feel. It's non-comedogenic. And this foundation is good for combo oily acne prone skin. That's what it says on the website. I'm not making this up. I kid you not. If you go in there, that's what it says. So I am all of those things. So let's see how this works out. It says that when you try it, let it dry. So that's a big thing. I'm guessing that with that high percentage of pigment that it claims to have and the ingredients and stuff working together, that dry down is going to be a whole lot different from when you put it on. The color that I chose is Tan 78. So hopefully this one actually works out for me. So let's see. On the website it says to use a sponge. So we've got our beauty blender right here. That's what we're going to use today to put this on. I have given this a number of shakes as y'all saw me throughout this video. Please, please, please. Okay, that's what that dollop looks like. And we're gonna the match looks okay. It's giving, on my end, it looks a little red. I don't know if y'all can tell either, but it's giving red on my end a little bit. Let's try on here. Like, the match isn't bad. I'm just feeling like maybe for the winter time I should go down a shade, maybe the 76. But I mean, in person is not horrible. I'm loving the finish and how this is moving across my skin. It does feel a little red, guys, for this 78. But then again, they're saying when you put it on, let it dry down, and that's going to be the true color. Which is interesting to me, because it's like, is it going to oxidize darker or lighter? Like, what is happening? Like, in the jar, it's not the same color as on the face. So yeah, this is red. This is, I didn't turn the light off in front of me. This is red. Okay, so so this is red. So just know, there's very close to skin color and me. Don't get the 78. Okay. Yeah. So even though it's giving red, I just want to talk about this formula. I really like this. I'm liking it. Now with a sponge, I'm not seeing complete full coverage because I'm looking in my mirror and I can still see some scars and some marks. So maybe the buildup would be better. I can see you using a brush with this as well if you want more full coverage. But yeah, okay, there we go. A little bit more on with the sponge. Okay, so it is buildable, so that's great. But it's not feeling heavy. You know, sometimes you can build something up and it feels super heavy. That's not happening with this foundation. So I'm actually happy about that part. So coverage is great. It is full coverage once you build it up, so you can go over your face once and then come back in and do the rest. But this looks really good, even though I've got the wrong shade right now. Like, in front of me it looks red, but like when I turn my light off and I pull my chest down, it's looking like it's okay. This is interesting to me, so I'm like, let me give it a minute to dry down and see how this goes. So that's what they're saying on the website, that it's going to look different when wet versus fully dry because of the high percentage of pigment and ingredients that help provide the extra long wear. When you pick your shade, make sure that it dry down completely to see the true color. So I did not do that in the store. I literally just put it on, walked around a little bit, and I was like, oh, this looks good. And so that's the shade I grabbed. So it's drying down a lot warmer than I would like, but let's see how it plays with other products. I'm putting on my Dior concealer because it is lighter. So that's the thing too, like if you find that you have a shade, your summer shade, and then you want to wear it but you don't feel like, you know, going and buying another foundation, just if you have a lighter concealer, then this is always the best way to go, because then that's going to balance out the lighting and the shading that's occurring on your face with your foundation and other products. So let's see. Right now it seems to be playing okay with my Dior concealer. I really like how this looks. Like how it's drying down, it's really pretty. This looks really good. For blush, I'm going for cream. We're going to be using this one from Bobbi Brown. I like this color. It's very fall. And with cream blushes, I don't start on my cheeks. I try to start higher up because I have like cheeks. Like I have cheeks. I try to start higher up because, you know, when you smile, it's going to go up. So I just start at the higher points of my face and then I come down and then just tapping with it with a fluffy brush as you have. So you can see there what that color looks like, and when I smile, it's not up here. I have like a whole blush video from way back in the day. It's still relevant, especially if you have a round face like mine. It's still relevant. This color is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this color is so bomb. I really like this. You know, sometimes you can put on new makeup and it looks like makeup. Like this is giving skin. I really like this. So just gonna do something with my eyes. I'm gonna take like a brown shadow. It's from one of my old Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes. I just want some color on my eyelids because it's fall. I wanted something like moody, yes. Mascara today, I'm doing an oldie but a goodie L'Oreal Voluminous Original. This one will always look good. It looks like I'm wearing lashes and I'm not. Oh, thanks to this particular mascara. Lips, nothing serious today. Some brown lip liner, and then this shade from Dior. This is a nude velvet number 300. It's like a pinky brown. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this so much. This is the finished look. I'm not even gonna wear falsies today because the look is so pretty. This is like everyday gorgeous. Like at first I was like, is this foundation too red? But now guys, I'm like, But I will say that putting this on, it was really good. I have no issues at all. They have so many shades. Like I'm looking on the website, there are so many shades, guys. They did a really good job in terms of just picking the colors. These are really good. So for me, I have, like I said, I chose the color number 78. This is for tan deep skin with neutral bronze undertones. So I'm thinking for the winter time, I'll probably pick up tan 076, which is tan deep skin for cool neutral. For me, I don't feel like I'm cool, I'm warm. So I think that's why I went for the 78, because that's how it looks. I'm not a cool tone girly. I am neutral, but I'm not cool. So that's why I'm like, that's the color I went for, and I swatched it on my chest in the store, and I was like, this matches. So why did it apply red on my face anyway? Because I'm a different color. Long story, long story, but the entire point of this video was to show y'all what this foundation looked like on my skin, how it looked when I played with other products. As always, I'll put everything that I used today down in the description box for y'all. But this, guys, go get this foundation. Give it a shot. I think this is a good one for the holiday season when you got lots and lots of stuff to do and you need your skin to look like skin. This foundation does it for me. So we're gonna do a check-in later in the day. It's the afternoon now, like it's 1:05. If y'all can see that, it's 1:05. So we're gonna check back in like 7 hours or so and see how this KVD Beauty Good Apple Full Coverage Foundation works. Okay. Alright y'all, so we're back. It is now 7:28. If y'all can see that. We are shiny. I did not blot or do anything like that. I just carried on about my day. But of course, in the oily area that I always get oily is this area, T-zone, chin, that's expected. So yeah, this is what we look like 7 hours later. I've got some tissue paper to go ahead and blot. In terms of movement with this, it did not move. It didn't sink into any of my forehead lines. It did, however, like go into my smile lines. So it's not bad, it's not horrible, it's nothing like a little touch-up can't fix. But my deeper smile lines, it did settle in there a little bit, but nothing like that you can actually see with your naked eye. So just blotting to see how it goes away. It doesn't lift up like from my face. I do notice where I have my glasses, it did like move from that area a little bit, like in here where my glasses were rubbing, but other than that, it stayed pretty much put. So just blotting away most of the shine to get rid of some of this. Like I said, movement is not too bad in terms of like where it's gonna go on the skin, but if you wear glasses, just know that you're gonna need a little bit layer of protection in that area where we put our glasses, where our glasses sit. So yeah, it looks good after just a little bit of blotting. It's fine. It looks really, really good. It's not completely being lifted off of the skin, which is what, to me, it says a lot about a foundation. But it looks pretty good. It doesn't feel cakey or heavy or anything like that after just a couple of hours of wear. I don't feel like I want to rip my face off. You know, sometimes you can feel that way with some foundations, but this one actually feels really, really good. So I do appreciate that from KVD Beauty. But like I said, just some lines, some cracking in lines in my smile lines, and that's about it. And where my glasses sat. But other than that, like now I know I have to put it, make sure it's on there, do my little tissue paper trick where I just put the foundation on, lift up any of the oil that's sitting on there, and then go in and really pat that powder in and really set that in place for the nose area, so I know that for next time. Like I said earlier, go ahead and grab this, guys. It's actually a really, really good foundation. I would give this definitely 9 out of 10 for now. 9 out of 10. Because of that color issue earlier, I was like, oh, what's happening? But yeah, 9 out of 10 in terms of its staying power, its wear, how it feels on the skin. I am acne prone, not seeing any like new bumps or anything pop up. Like my skin is really, really sensitive, so I can really get like breakouts immediately if something is irritated to my skin, and this is not. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I'll see you in my next one really, really soon. Bye.